President Trump's call for his supporters to go into the polls and watch very carefully have raised fears about potential polling place confrontations.
As early voting is already underway, State Attorney General Mark Herring is promising to use the law to crack down on voter intimidation. Herring told me there's already been one reported incident in Fairfax.
Following the president's incendiary rhetoric, seemingly calling on supporters to harass or intimidate voters, I thought it was important to reiterate that there are state and federal laws that will protect voters from harassment, from intimidation, and that is, that kind of conduct is not acceptable. And I'm going to make sure that all Virginians can vote safely and securely, and their vote will count, whether it's in person or by mail.
What are you doing to advise localities to get ahead of this issue in the event there is an incident?
Well, just a day after early voting started, we saw an incident in Fairfax County where some voters felt intimidated and scared. And so I wanted to make sure that everyone knows that there are laws that prohibit that kind of conduct so that voters will know that they can vote safely and securely, but also that elections officials will know that there are tools that they have to prohibit it should it happen again. I hope it doesn't. It shouldn't happen. But if it does, there are laws that elections officials can use to make sure that voters are not harassed or intimidated into not exercising their fundamental right to vote.
Attorney General Herring cited both Virginia code and federal laws that rise to the level of a felony if a person is convicted for interfering with a citizen's right to vote, including while the polls are open. You can't be noisy, make distractions, loiter, or campaign within 40 feet of a polling place. It is also unlawful to use a loudspeaker within 300 feet of a polling place on Election Day.